Return to running progression. First, start with toe tap front back. You will keep most of your weight on your stance leg to work on single leg and hip pelvic stability. Swing your arms in an opposite motion to your legs. As the left leg goes back, the right arm comes up, just like what you do when you run. Practice about 10 repetitions each side. Second, toe tap with a march. Again, most of your weight will be on the stance leg. This time, you will bend your knee towards your chest as you balance on the stance leg, like a march. Use your core to help you lift the knee up. Practice about 10 repetitions on both sides. Make sure you have the balance to perform this exercise. You can add a breath into this sequence. Breathe in as you extend the leg. Breathe out as you bend the knee up. Third, single leg deadlift with a march. This exercise will require more balance and hip stability. Do not perform until you can successfully balance with a toe tap and march. You will extend and hover your leg above the ground and bring that same leg up to a march. Continue the same arm swing and use your core to help lift the knee up. Practice about 10 repetitions on each side. Fourth, single leg deadlift with a hop. Make sure you have strong balance and pelvic floor control before performing this exercise. This exercise will have a bit more intensity because it involves a small hop. Extend your leg back and bring it up to a march, but this time add a small hop as you bend the knee up. This will start to mimic the impact of running. Practice 10 repetitions on each side.